Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to uninstall an application from your mobile phone. The first thing to do is to locate or search for the application you want to uninstall. If you uninstall your application, you can always re-download it from where you got it from. Let's take an example. I want to uninstall this application called Checkers. All I have to do is to press the application for about 2 to 3 seconds, then I will be able to see a short interface describing some of the options I have on the application. Since I want to uninstall the application, I will press where there is written uninstall button. You should see a message asking you if you really want to delete the application chosen. Press OK. After that, they will tell you that the application has been uninstalled. Thanks for watching.